Well, a big concern for many fire bosses is the lack of resources. Those requests now being answered from here at home and from halfway around the world. KXLY4's John Hendricks continues our fire watch coverage now. And John, some much needed relief has arrived.
Nadine, firefighters from Australia and New Zealand began training the training they need to get on the fire lines here in Washington. It comes as more resources join that firefight today. On the ground near Usk, Washington,
it's really not that bad.
Hundreds of firefighters continue to build line on the tower fire.
This is our real estate for today. We're in charge of it.
But these men and women are not your typical firefighter.
We're military, so it doesn't matter. We're going to adjust. We're going to adapt and overcome.
They're members of the 17th Field Artillery Brigade, 280 strong, trained to fight wildfires. It's been nearly a decade since active duty military was called up to help.
Cheers.
430 miles to the south in Boise, Idaho.
It's like Christmas.
71 firefighters from Australia and New Zealand gearing up for a firefight as well.
Everybody wants to come on these deployments, so it's seen as a sort of a highlight of your career.
These men and women will be sent out to fires across Oregon, Washington, and Idaho in the coming days. It's winter on the other side of the globe, so this is the perfect opportunity for these firefighters to stay busy and to take a few things back home.
It's also an opportunity for us to learn some of the American ways in some of the dryland firefighting. So it's just a fantastic opportunity and you know, double-edged sword.
For both, they say this is what needs to be done to help protect complete strangers in their time of need.
Really rewarding, and it's nice to know that our job is making a difference, that we're helping out the community.
The crews from Australia and New Zealand will be on a 14-day rotation depending on how the fire season plays out. They say they will be available for longer if necessary. Reporting in studio tonight, John Hendricks, KXLY 4 News.
Good to have